Hello and welcome to what is a little different review, a Meowsic keyboard from my BToys. I will put a link in the description down below. I've decided to do durability and a build quality review because this thing, as anyone who has a healthy, active child will confirm you, that child will run over and jump on pretty much anything and everything unless you stop him or her. This here is a living evidence that it will survive. The number of the jumps and run over is uncountable, and yet it works flawlessly for any parent who seeks their child become a new Chopin or Rachmaninoff or Ravel. This is a pretty good start. Let's see at the buttons. What do we have here? Each button here can program a different sounds of the keys. So we have a piano, we have a bell, meow sound, organ sound, banjo sound. Next one, volume buttons up and down. These two buttons here, we have found one of the two most amusing buttons on a toy ever. What they do is speed up or down the tempo of the music you play. What I mean I will show you later. Let's get back here. Here we have a background noise. So if I push the rock, blues, samba, techno, and disco. Let's stop it with the button here. Very important button. There are two more buttons here. The one on the left will play you some melody. There are several different types of melodies. The one here with the face of a cat play songs. Let's listen to that. So you got the picture. And now let's go back to those two buttons. If I push again the song button here and I will play with those two, the rhythm and the speed of that song will either go up or down. And for whatever reason, kids find this very amusing and entertaining. Let's give it a try, we'll see. So song and okay, so you got the picture, right? Okay. It's, again, the build quality is amazing. The only issue I have with this, and that happened almost right after we unbox it, is the microphone right here. It's supposed to record and play back a short audio that your little virtuoso can talk into or sing into it. For some reason, it doesn't work. That's the only thing that gave up at the very beginning. Apart of that, everything works just fine. Even a retraction of that. There's a small button here that will retract the microphone back in. Let's turn it off for now. Turn it back. There are 4 AA batteries. They last ages. In all the time we have this piano, I changed the batteries once. Just once. And it's not because Gilles is not using it. He's using it a lot. Just lasts long. For the safety reasons, obviously screwdriver, and it's not easy to unscrew. Safety first. Also, very handful are those 4 rubbery. It has a rubbery feeling to it. You know those anti-slippery things that you put on a surface and it won't slip away, or where the child step on it, when it's like this and it's on a smooth surface and the child step on it, it won't slide away. Child proof. Everything about this product is a child proof. There are no sharp edges. These ears here, they have this soft touch to it. It's not a hard plastic. Even if the child hit it or kick it, it won't hurt that much. And everything else, nice, round shaped. It has a very nice appearance. Looks good, sounds good. Honestly, it's a brilliant product. My BToys, Meowsic keyboard, and from us at the Kids Knows Best, we highly recommend. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time again with Gilles. But for now, goodbye.